Since 2006, Ultramax Hydrojet Pvt Ltd has been a trusted leader in automatic industrial cleaning machines. The company operates from a modern manufacturing unit in Erichur near Oragadam, Chennai, strategically located in India's industrial corridor. Supporting industries including automotive, pharmaceuticals, railways, aerospace, food processing and general engineering. Our team of experienced engineers transforms customer cleaning challenges into effective design solutions using advanced cleaning technologies, detailed 3D models, and optimized process layouts. Using advanced technologies such as laser cutting, CNC folding, and laser welding. We deliver machines with exceptional precision and refined aesthetics. All electrical panels are designed and manufactured in-house, and PLC programming is customized to each customer's requirements, delivering fully automated machines with enhanced usability and easy maintenance. Cleanliness validation is performed in our in-house Millipore laboratory to ensure components meets defined customer cleanliness standards. ISO 9001:2015 for quality management, ISO 14001:2015 for environmental management, ISO 45001:2018 for occupational health and safety, and CE certification for safety standards, holding internationally recognized certifications. Our ISO certified quality system ensures every machine undergoes stringent inspection and testing as per a standard QAP. This builds customer confidence during FAT and guarantees reliable machine performance from day one. We have organized stores with a racking system for easy storage and quick retrieval. Machines are securely packed for safe transport and ready for seamless installation by our team.
As a founder and CEO of Ultramax Hydrojet, I sincerely thank all our customers that confidence in our capability to solve their complex cleaning challenges through market-ready and industry-engineered solution with over 2 decades of our experience in the industrial cleaning sector.
With experience and expertise, our team delivers top quality cleaning machines. We are committed to excellence and safety. Our machines are trusted by leading companies globally. Ultimate technology that delivers reliable cleaning.